Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to ZHC channel analytics. ZHC has uploaded 283 videos. He now has 19.6 million subscribers with a total view of 1,496,211,533. He's from US, and his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since August 7, 2013. The grade he got is A-, and his social blade ranking is at 1,233rd. The subscriber ranking is 227th and then video view rank is 3081st. He ranked at 90th in US, 61st in entertainment. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 2,300,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for ZHC will be $9,200. Monthly income will be $276,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. As a result, monthly income will be $151,800 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $1,821,600. That is how much ZHC earned from YouTube.